I have the primary open, the clutch plates out, everything's cleaned up, basically ready to go back together. Here are the clutch plates. They look in great condition. Primary cover is clean. And everything looks good, ready to go back together. Now here's where I ran into a question. So going back to the primary, hopefully not too fast, sorry. Watch when I turn the clutch center hub. It's pretty tight. It shouldn't be. It should be turning smoothly. I go this way, and it's pretty smooth, then it gets tight again. So you go this way, nice and smooth. See, it should be loose like this. But then it's got these tight spots. So I can't turn it there. You can see how tight it is. I truly don't know if that's a problem because that doesn't affect the releasing of the clutch plates. But I'm going to take it apart anyway and see if I can see why it's all bound up.